Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking one measurable goal and one platform. This prevents scattered spend. Prepare 3 short creatives that demonstrate product, show it used, and include quick social proof. Once assets exist, make a simple 15-30-second ad and a 6-10-second teaser for mobile feeds. Make sure to set a modest daily budget and enable Pixel or Conversion API so you can track real purchases. Doing this immediately moves you from planning to data collection. Next, you create precise audiences and start testing systematically. Launch 3 audience types: customers, lookalikes, and interest segments. This reveals where early wins live. Run a /B tests on thumbnails, opening hook, and CTA phrasing, because the first 3 seconds decide view-through and clicks. Once tests run for 3-7 days, reallocate spend toward winners and increase bids until cost per acquisition stabilizes. Make sure to log learnings in a simple spreadsheet. To finish, scale methodically by raising the budget 20-30% each day on winning ad sets while watching CPA. Rapid jumps cause instability. Refresh creatives every 2 to 4 weeks to avoid fatigue and rotate hooks and thumbnails to preserve CTR. If performance drops, first verify Pixel or Conversion API integrity, then check for audience overlap or bid caps, and lastly test new creative variants. A single troubleshooting check often restores performance quickly if you follow this order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.